So these are all aspens, not super healthy aspens, and lots of the yarrow. I can tell you about yarrow, but I'm not going to tell you about yarrow right now. A couple years back, this area was just totally grown up with apparently noxious. It must have been noxious weeds and stuff. So they closed it off to all hikers, all dogs, all everything, and they rented a herd of goats. The goats came in and cleaned it all up. But I have a feeling, in spite of all the good they did a number on the aspens that used to be here. So, these are all one tree. They'll make new babies, but it's a definite difference. Okay, quick story, yarrow, that yellow flower. The leaves of the yarrow can be used as a an anesthetic. So if you get a cut, you're supposedly put the leaf in your cut and you have no pain. Or is it an antiseptic? Oh well, anyway, it's good for cuts. Not a good story. Now, I don't know anything about berries. I don't think these are huckleberries. They could be huckleberries for all I know. I wouldn't know a huckleberry unless it were in my ice cream. Alright, this is the way to the car. Talk to y'all later.